Hello guys, today we're going to be working on reading. So let's go to week number 2, Tuesday. Your assignment for today will be Life Skills Reader Restaurants, page 58 to 63. So let's go and locate your story for today, restaurants. So this is your story for today. The title is Restaurants. So people eat at restaurants every day. Most restaurants look different from the outside. Some restaurants look the same and serve the same food wherever you go. So right here we see McDonald's. To this side we see another McDonald's. So it's the same restaurant. Wait staff serves you in sits-down restaurants. They take your order and bring your food to the table. So right here, what do we see? He has a pen or a pencil and he's writing down your order. At fast food restaurants, you order your food at a counter and use a tray to carry it to your table. What do you use? A tray. This is a tray, a blue tray. And here's your food. Some fast food restaurants have drive-through windows so you can order your food without getting out of your car. So right here we see a window and a car. You order your food through the window. Some restaurants sell only certain foods like Mexican, Chinese, seafood, sandwiches, or ice cream. So right here, Dairy Queen sells ice cream. Whatever you like to eat, you can always find restaurants near you with good food. So now let's move on to the questions. So the directions say, circle the answer. Circle. Wait staff serves you what kind of restaurant? A sit-down restaurant, fast food restaurant, or drive-through windows? Remember, drive-through windows are the ones that you go with your car. So circle your answer. Number 2. You order food at a counter when you go to a sit-down restaurant, fast food restaurant, or drive-through window. Which one is it? Circle your answer. Write the word to complete the sentence. Some fast food restaurants have a blank through window. Have a drive-through window. So you're going to write the word drive. You're going to write it right here. Good job at writing drive on the blank. For number 4, what is your favorite restaurant? Is it McDonald's? Is it Pizza Hut? Burger King? Which one is it? Number 5. What do you like to order when you go to a restaurant?